In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Loft to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Loft linked and ready to use, and the whole process should only take a couple of minutes. Start on your ChatGPT home screen and look down to the bottom left corner. Click your profile icon there. This opens a small menu with your account options. From that menu, select Settings. You'll recognize it by the gear icon. This brings up the area where you can manage preferences and connections. Inside Settings, find and open the Apps section. This is where ChatGPT keeps all available integrations and where you manage anything you've already connected. If you don't immediately see it, give the panel a second to load. It can take a moment on slower networks. Next, choose either Explore Apps or Add More, depending on which button is shown in your view. Both take you to the same catalog where you can browse and add integrations. At the top of that catalog, you'll see a search field. Click into the search field and type Loft. Double-check the spelling to make sure you're pulling up the correct result. You should see the Loft app appear in the results list with a Connect button on its card. Click Connect. This starts the linking process. At this point, simply follow any on-screen instructions that appear. You may be asked to review what Loft can access, confirm you want to proceed, or sign in to your Loft account to authorize the connection. Read the prompts carefully and only approve permissions you're comfortable with. If your browser asks to open a new window or tab for authorization, allow it, complete the prompt there, and return to ChatGPT when it finishes. When the connection is successful, you'll typically see a brief confirmation, and Loft will appear in your apps list inside Settings. That's your sign everything is set. If the page doesn't update right away, a quick refresh of the apps view can help it display. From here, Loft is connected, and you're ready to use it within ChatGPT as designed by the integration. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're signed in to the correct ChatGPT account where you want Loft connected, and keep your internet connection stable during the authorization step to avoid timeouts. If you encounter an error or don't see the app's option, it may be a temporary issue or a limitation of your current plan or region. So try again later or check availability. And remember, you can always return to the Apps section in Settings to review or manage the connection in the future. That's all there is to it. Loft is now connected to ChatGPT.